Are you trying to find a way to get rid of those annoying white bugs, worms, and pests that are invading your plants? Keep your plants safe from white bugs, worms, mealybugs, and pests with Karudaa Coirs Neem Powder, the perfect remedy for pest control. Firstly, spray the plant with cold water to remove the bugs that are stuck onto the plants. Then, mix 50 grams of neem powder with 1.5 liters of plain water for optimal effectiveness. Ensure thorough mixing for consistent coverage and let it sit for 48 hours. After the resting period, you have to filter the water before spraying onto the plant. Caution: avoid excessive use as it may lead to heightened potency. Apply the neem powder solution once every 15 days for sustained pest control. Make sure all the parts of the plants are soaked well. If the plant is infected very much, then the solution should be applied weekly once. After 15 days, spray plants with fish amino acid for additional nourishment and resilience, along with the layer of cow and goat manure for consistent growth. Implement these steps to safeguard your plants against pests and promote their healthy growth. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more updates.